Welcome to the Fly East Africa Weekly Bulletin, brought to you by Easy Flights, the Flight Deal Center. My name is Mugeni Yvonne Isabella, but first, we shall have the headlines. Ghana Government and Ethiopian Airlines finalise agreement. Emirates to operate daily flights to Abuja. And these are the news in detail. Ghana Government and Ethiopian Airlines finalise agreement. The strategic partnership signed is for the establishment of the new national carrier for Ghana. This is progress made since the signing of a memorandum of understanding that was signed in December 2018. Under the signed agreement, Ethiopian Airlines hold 49% shares and the rest belong to the government of Ghana. The government intends to sell some shares to the general public, that is after the airline has commenced operations. The Star Alliance member is due to send several Dash 8-400s to Accra later in 2019. The airline is yet unnamed, but will begin by focusing on domestic routes. A brief story of Ghana Airways. Founded on 4th July 1958 and commenced operations on 15th July 1958. During formation, a partnership with British Overseas Airways Corporation was made. The airline's hub was Kotoka International Airport. Some of the destinations the airline served include London, Lagos, Dakar, Nairobi, Cairo, Ouagadougou, Bamako, Abidjan, Conakry, Rabat, Rome, Zurich, and many more. On 25th March 1999, the airline signed an alliance partnership with South African Airlines to increase frequencies between the Johannesburg and Accra. In 2000, launched flights to Baltimore and Dubai. 2002 had one of its aircraft seized in London. 2004, the United States banned the airline from operating flights to and out of USA. The FAA grounded two aircrafts on 24th and 26th July in New York and Baltimore, respectively. Government sacked management of the airline and took over management of the airline. And the airline liquidated and ceased out of business. Some of the fleets the airline operated include one Airbus A320-200, one Airbus A330-300, 3 McDonnell Douglas DC-8, 8 McDonnell Douglas DC-9, 6 McDonnell Douglas DC-10, 1 McDonnell Douglas MD-11. The partnership is not the first that Ethiopian Airlines has with other African countries, and here are some of other partnerships. 2013, Ethiopian Airlines helped in the formation of Malawian Airlines with 49% shareholding. 2018, formation of Zambia Air with a 45% shareholding. Others in Togo and Guinean governments. These partnerships have enabled Ethiopian Airlines gain more competitive advantage over its competitors in Africa. Air Arabia Maroc launches Tangier to Istanbul flights. From July 4th, the Moroccan low-cost airline will operate 2 weekly flights between Tangier and Istanbul on Thursday and Saturday. The route will be operated using Airbus A320. The 4-hour and 45 minutes flight will have the following departure and arrival times. Depart Tangier at 6 p.m. and arrive in Istanbul at 12:30 a.m. Then return as follows. Depart Istanbul at 1:30 a.m. and arrive Tangier at 4:15 a.m. Note: all times indicated are local times. ASKY Airlines launches mobile application. The newly launched app, ASKY Airlines, will allow customers to view offers and deals offered by the airline. The app will also be used for reservation and booking, purchase of tickets, checking flight status, contacting customer service, and checking ASKY loyalty club programs. At the launch of the app, Airlines CEO Ahadu Simachu said the following: "The application has been designed so that our customers can quickly choose the desired options that fit their needs. With the introduction of the app, ASKY is confirming its goal of rethinking tomorrow's travel, using technology to provide better services to our consumers." The ASKY mobile app is available for free for tablets and smartphones on Android and iOS mobile platforms. The direct link to download the app is available on the airline's website. Precision Air revives its flights to Kahama and Tabora. Precision Air announced revival of flights to Kahama and Tabora flights. The airline will operate 3 weekly flights on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday from its hub in Dar es Salaam. The airline's marketing director, Hilary Mremi, had the following to say: "Precision Air recognizes the importance of Kahama and Tabora in economic activities in northwestern Tanzania. Therefore, this strategic decision aims to support economic growth, particularly in the trade, agriculture, and mining sectors of this region." He further added, "The movement of goods and people in the region will now be simplified, and a connection will be easily established with the dry port of Isaka, which also serves the landlocked neighboring countries of Rwanda, Burundi, and Democratic Republic of Congo. We would like to take this opportunity to encourage companies, large and small, to take advantage of flights to achieve business and trade agreements." Air Seychelles chooses AirFi to provide Wi-Fi aboard its new Airbus A320neo. The Airbus A320neo, scheduled for delivery in July 2019, will be Wi-Fi enabled, and the airline chose AirFi to provide the service. The service will modernize the onboard customer experience by providing the latest technology that will give customers more value and control when using their smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The airline CEO, Remco Aluthis, had the following to say: "The aviation industry is evolving globally, and aircraft operators are increasingly looking for ways to improve the customer experience while ensuring their businesses generate better revenues. AirFi will enable Air Seychelles to operate more efficiently because with the elimination of sit-back screens, customers will have to use their own devices and headsets to broadcast entertainment content. Therefore, with less onboard equipment and less impact on weight, Air Seychelles will be able to better generate its energy efficiency." Job Himarix, managing director of AirFi, responded by saying the following: "We welcome Air Seychelles to the AirFi family. We are eager to offer entertainment and joy to their passengers. The robust structure of AirFi makes the system ideal for operators located in places as wonderful as remote, such as Seychelles." Zambia airports handled 394,821 passengers in 2019 first quarter. Traffic statistics released by Zambia Airports Corporation Limited for the first quarter of 2019 indicate the airports handling 394,821 passengers at airports, namely Kenneth Kaunda Lusaka, Simon Mwansa Kapwepwe Ndola, Harry Mwanga, Kumbula Livingstone, and Mufue airports. The airports handled 66,353 passengers on domestic routes and 328,468 passengers on international routes. The statistics show a 4.6% decline in passenger numbers handled. In 2018, Zambia airports handled 1,748,200 passengers, and when compared to 2017, there was a 10.5% increase in traffic to Zambia airports. Emirates to operate daily flights to Abuja. With effect from 1st June, Emirates will operate daily flights to the Nigerian capital from Dubai. The airline that is currently operating 4 weekly flights made this announcement to commemorate its 15 years of successful operations in Nigeria. The West African Regional Director of the airline, Afzal Parambil, expressed the airline's delight to increase frequencies by saying the following: Emirates has a strong relationship with Nigeria and remains deeply committed to the market. Over the past 15 years, we have not only seen our business grow, but our products grow to meet the tastes and requirements of our Nigerian customers. We are constantly striving to provide our passengers with an unforgettable travel experience, and our growth reflects the fact that we are on the right track. The Abuja route is served using a Boeing 777-300 with a seat configuration of 8 first class, 42 business class, and 310 economy. The other city in Nigeria served by the airline is Lagos, and 10 weekly flights are operated using a Boeing 777-300. Nigerian Accident Investigations Bureau and French Bureau of Enquiry and Analysis signed agreement. The agreement was signed on Tuesday, 14th May in Paris by Remy Juti, the Director of Bureau of Enquiry and Analysis, and Akin Olateru, the Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian Accident Investigation Bureau. The agreement is aimed at enhancing technical cooperation on accident safety investigations and serious incidents in civil aviation. The two parties agreed to collaborate in accordance with the standards and recommended practices of Annex 13 in the Convention on International Civil Aviation. On the other side, the Bureau of Inquiry and Analysis will provide assistance in case of request, but also provide knowledge and expertise to help their Nigerian counterparts improve their processes, systems, and human capital. Thank you for watching the Fly East Africa News Bulletin, brought to you by Easy Flights for the best flight deals across the globe. A quick look at our headlines. Ghana Government and Ethiopian Airlines finalise agreement. Emirates to operate daily flights to Abuja. For more information, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fly East Africa, follow us on Twitter, Fly East Africa, or like our Facebook page, Fly East Africa. Once again, my name is Mugeni Von Isabella. Thank you for watching and have a good evening.